Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to join a Discord server. So you have two options. One, you can join Discord server, via link that's been given to you by your friend or your, the inviter basically to join that community, and then you're gonna be able to enter that group immediately. Or that server immediately. The second option, you can just go back to your screen, go ahead to your browser, and then go ahead install looking for Discord server. After you look it up, just go ahead and click the search Discord servers right here, and then basically you're gonna search for the server that serves you the best. So if you're looking for social, role play, chill, anime, whatever it might be, click social right here for example. Then let me just close this ad, and then you're gonna be able right here to see these multiple servers. So just go ahead, in lots of example, you want to join the server, go ahead and click on it, and they will redirect you to the Discord, and then they will let you know that this invite link is invalid or has expired. Just don't be discouraged. You're gonna be able to look for different ones, and then you're gonna be able to join the server, and then basically that's it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.